We count on India. These are the words from UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres as India's transition from seekers to suppliers has put India on the world map. UN Secretary General Antonio said, "I would like to say how much we count on India. I mean, India has one of the most advanced pharmaceutical industries. India played a very important role in the production of generic for use that was a very important element of democratization of access to medicines all over the world." On March 16th every year, India observes National Vaccination Day, also known as Immunization Day. It was on this day in 1995 that first dose of oral polio vaccine was given in India. The first vaccine reached India in 1802, within 4 years of its invention. Yet, as late as 1946, it touched only a small portion of British India. This was borne out of the fact that in 1951, India reported a huge number of smallpox cases. In the early 1960s, India accounted for nearly 60% of the reported smallpox cases in the world. In response to this, the Government of India launched the National Smallpox Eradication Program in 1962 with a focus on mass vaccination. By 1967, unfortunately, the campaign did not succeed as the number of smallpox cases in India was increasing. Over the years, immunization has proved to be the most important tool in controlling and eliminating life-threatening infectious diseases. The initiative to eradicate polio from India came in the form of Pulse Polio campaign, launched by the government. Under this extensive drive, 2 drops of polio vaccine were given to all children younger than 5 years of age. As a result of aggressive vaccine campaign against polio, India was declared polio-free in March 2014. Vaccination is the most effective method of preventing highly infectious diseases as a vaccine directly targets the foreign microbes that invade our immune system, causing illness. Further, a vaccine creates a mechanism for the same virus so the body gets prepared for the future if the same virus attacks the immune system. Large-scale immunity due to vaccination is mostly responsible for the worldwide eradication of smallpox and the restraints of diseases like polio, measles and tetanus from a very large part of the world. Vaccination is estimated to prevent between 2 to 3 million deaths every year. India launched its first vaccine BCG over 50 years ago. BCG was used against TB and was launched in 1962 as the part of the National Tuberculosis Program. In 1985, the program was modified to become the Universal Immunization Program. It was implemented in a phased manner, and by 1989 to 1990, it was one of the largest health programs in the world. UIP became a part of Child Survival and Save Motherhood program in 1992. Since 1997, immunization has been an important component of the National Reproductive and Child Health Program and the current National Health Mission. India has one of the biggest universal immunization programs in the world. In terms of number of beneficiaries covered, quantities of vaccination used, geographical spread to the resources used. The program is the largest public health program targeting close to 67 crore newborns, 2.9 crore pregnant women annually. Mission Indradhanush was launched under UIP in December 2014 for better health of mothers and children who are deprived of vaccination. The main aim was to vaccinate children who are not vaccinated or partially vaccinated by 2020. Vaccination is being provided against 8 vaccine preventable diseases. The mission has allowed the vaccine to reach faraway areas, improving the health of children. In unprecedented times of COVID-19, India has been fighting from the front to eradicate the virus. India has been providing millions of COVID-19 vaccines like Covishield and Covaxin under its Vaccine Maitri initiative. The list of the nations is long as India has provided COVID vaccines to almost over 20 countries. The nations include Bangladesh, Nepal, Myanmar, Bhutan, Sri Lanka, Oman, Brazil, Egypt, etc. India has not only helped other nations in difficult times but has also ensured the safety of our citizens. A total of 3,29,47,432 individuals are vaccinated till 16th of March 2021.